Hi, I'm Paul Yost from YEI Technology. Today, on PrioVR In Depth, we're explaining how PrioVR works, all the way from sensing to game integration. PrioVR is a full-body motion sensing suit for gaming that allows for unprecedented yet natural-feeling control. PrioVR is based upon sensing elements that can actually track motion in real time. Each sensor consists of three high-performance sensing elements: a 3-axis magnetometer, a 3-axis accelerometer, and a 3-axis gyroscope. These sensors are coupled with a high-performance 32-bit processor that takes data from the component sensors and applies advanced calibration and sensor fusion algorithms to produce a single, accurate, drift-free orientation output that corresponds to the user's motion, one-to-one, in real time. The sensors are then configured as sensor chains which connect to the wearable wireless hub. The hub contains a complete embedded sensor unit, high-capacity lithium polymer rechargeable battery, and another high-performance 32-bit processor that is responsible for collecting the data from the sensor array, as well as the hand controllers. This data is then compressed, packetized, and sent wirelessly to the PrioVR wireless base station. PrioVR's wireless technology is optimized for low-latency, real-time communication, even for large capture spaces. And since the wireless technology used is spread spectrum, many suits can be used simultaneously within the same space. Thus, PrioVR can wirelessly transmit full body poses at up to 200 Hz with sensor-to-host latencies under 10 milliseconds. The wireless communication allows for capture spaces hundreds of feet in radius and a battery lifetime of over 8 hours of continuous use. Once the host PC or console receives the data, it is accessible either directly as a serial stream or through one of our pre-built interface APIs or DLLs. The software interfaces allow data access at multiple levels of abstraction, ranging from direct sensor orientations to skeletal model poses and gestures, to tracking the translation of the in-game character. This multi-level abstraction approach allows developers to choose the perfect balance of control versus simplicity that is appropriate for their project. Since all the difficult processing is done on the sensors or within the hub, there is no system load on the host other than communication. The software interfaces also support major game engines such as Unity 3D, Unreal Development Kit, and CryEngine. And since the APIs aren't engine-specific and can be called directly, developers are free to choose any programming language, game engine, or development environment that they choose. PC, Linux, and Mac are supported. From a functional standpoint, the sensors capture and track the orientation of the player's major body segments directly and accurately. These orientations can be associated with a rigged skeletal model of the player's in-game avatar, so the player's pose is accurately translated to the game pose. This pose can further be processed for gesture extraction and translation offsets due to walking. So as the player moves, the game avatar moves. As the player walks or crawls, the game avatar walks or crawls. The hand controllers allow walking through large worlds without actually walking, and PrioVR can seamlessly switch between joystick navigation and avatar-based navigation. This allows freedom of motion even within large and open game worlds. PrioVR is also supported out of the box by YEI's Mocap Studio software, so the system can also be used for high-quality motion capture suitable for scientific study or content creation for film, animation, and games. With PrioVR, you are in control and the possibilities are endless. Do what you want with PrioVR. PrioVR, suit up, game on.